About this item: universal compatibility. VIOY 3.5mm male-to-male long auxiliary cable transmits hi-fi stereo from auxiliary output, line out, devices to auxiliary input, line in, devices without audio converters, such as connecting your laptop, iPad/iPod/iPhone/PC/tablet with an auxiliary jack to the car stereo audio, TV, headphones, earphones, speakers, amplifiers, soundbar. Enjoy music anytime. The 3.5mm audio cable simplifies the connection and enables you to enjoy music everywhere. It is perfect for headphones of broken audio cables, and car radio without Bluetooth. Designed for long auxiliary cable, it especially transmits audio for long distance scenes. Astonishing sound quality with high pure copper core and dual shielding. Auxiliary cord offers more clear sound, perfectly restore the original audio and reduces signal loss. VIOY auxiliary cord for car enables you possess high fidelity sound experience. Premium materials. VIOY braided male-to-male auxiliary cable adopts copper shell and gold-plated plugs to resist oxidation and corrosion. High-quality materials not only improve durability but greatly enhance its sound quality. The step-down design connectors allow you to fit smartphone or tablet without taking off the case during use. This 3.5mm audio cable. Durability and flexibility. Nylon braided auxiliary cable is solid enough to withstand any twist, tug, and tangle. This makes it easy to roll up for tidy storage and fills you with music wherever you are, whenever you like. Warmly note, VIOY auxiliary to auxiliary cable only used for 3.5mm TRS auxiliary port, support listening and stereo